butter, man. All right. Oh, hey, model car dudes. Hippie dude here. You know, wrapping up another day at the workbench, and there's nothing I like more to wash down that sanding dust than an ice-cold can of Hobby Light Cola. Hobby Light Cola's got just what you want, just what you need to wrap up the day. Awesome stuff, man. And you know, Hippie Dude is celebrating yet another 365 days as a model car dude. And in commemoration, Hobby Light Cola sent me a can with my face on it. Cool, huh? Well, yeah, I'd rather it be on this can than their can. So, hey, you know, but Hobby Light Cola, you gotta try this.
Pending full approval of the Modelers Food and Drug Administration. At this time, Hobby Light Cola may only be purchased from the trunk or boot of any gold 1971 Ford Pinto or any 1973 green Chevy Vega bearing this special bumper sticker.
Hey dudes, flag one down today. You'll be glad you did. And be sure to try Hobby Light Cola with boneless marshmallows. They're great. If you're a model car dude, Hobby Light Cola's for you.